What up guys, Matt here with Fox Airsoft, and I wanted to let you know about the new rental kits we have available for some of you local players. If you're going to be going out to a game at Flat Acres Farm, we do have some rental guns available here, ICS M4s, and the rental kit is going to include the gun, a high capacity mag, the charged battery for you to play, and we're also going to include some of the necessary protective equipment, the mesh face mask, as well as a full seal rated goggle. So if you're interested in doing a birthday party, just coming out to check out Airsoft, come stop by Fox Airsoft and reserve your rental equipment today.